Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to make a birthday cake. So I'm just making a plain vanilla sponge with a chocolate fudge icing with some Smarties on top. If you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.
In a bowl, mix together 2 1/4 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and a pinch of salt. In a bowl, cream together 1 cup of butter and 1 3/4 cup sugar until smooth. Then add 2 eggs one at a time, then add 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence and mix until well combined. Add a 1/2 cup of sour cream. Then add the flour mixture in 2 batches. Add 1 cup of milk. Pour into prepared sheet pan and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean. In a bowl, mix together 1 cup of softened butter and slowly add 4 1/2 cups of icing sugar. Mix until creamy. 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence and a pinch of salt. Add a 1/2 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of syrup. Add in 3/4 cup cocoa powder and mix until smooth. Spread over cake and decorate with Smarties, cuts into squares and enjoy.